Hi everybody. Um, it's me again, Miss T. Welcome to my channel. So yeah, it's a Thursday afternoon and I'm starving. So today I'm gonna be having some sushi. So the sushi sandwiches and all the other stuff on here. Don't ask me what it is. I don't know. I just know that I love sushi, and so this is what I'm having. So I'm just gonna dig in. Hope you guys are doing well and that you guys are home and you are warm in this cold weather. Don't mind how I'm using my chopsticks. I have no idea. As long as it holds, I am happy because, yep, it's gonna be going to my mouth after all. So yeah. It's delicious. It's delish. It is delish. So, how you guys doing? What have you been up to? What can you tell me? Um, ooh. Awesome. Awesome. Hope you guys are hungry. This is just beyond delicious. It is beyond delicious. Oh my gosh. There's nothing in here. What's in here? Ugh. Doesn't look. Wow. That is just daylight robbery. I wonder what that is. Looks like it's just rice on me. So yeah, have you guys tested, not tested, have you guys gotten vaccinated? Any of your family members vaccinated? How are they? Can we just get feedback on that? Because there's a lot of speculations going around and yeah, like we don't know what to believe, we don't know what to do. Anyone who got vaccinated, how have you been feeling since you vaccinated? And any bad symptoms, negative symptoms, like how are you feeling? Please do share with us because I, for one, I'm very interested to know. When they speak of heaven, this is it, guys. This is heaven for me. This is heaven for me. And when they say food is happiness, this is what they mean, you know? Yeah, for me, this is happiness for me. Yeah. So how's work? Are you guys back at work? What's happening in your lives, relationships? I for one, mjolo wa ngisa shem. Mjolo wa ngisa. Mjolo wa ngisa, guys. Let's just say, in English, it means that relationships are just not for me, basically, you know? Uh, it's tough. Sorry, it's tough. I haven't had luck in relationships. It's just one of those things. But I am not letting it put me down. I haven't lost hope. I still have faith that one day I will find the one for me. And yeah, and hopefully be happy, you know? Be happy one day. I don't know. So yeah, I haven't had luck in relationships. The guys I've dated, I don't know. Some of them they feel very intimidated by me. Some of them they just I don't know. Hey, they're just not. I don't know whether to say goal driven. They are not driven in general. You know, some people are just comfortable in their space, and which is okay. Which is okay. I do not have a problem with that. However, if you're going to be dating somebody who is who wants to achieve so much in life and is working towards that, and you are basically comfortable in your space and you do not want to grow further than where you are right now, I think that on its own it's a problem for me. So I haven't had luck. And another thing is that, you know, we have these ideal partners that we want in life, and it doesn't always work out like that, you know? You always find the opposite of what you want, the opposite of that tick list, you know, that long list that you have. And yeah, I don't know. Hey, it's just tough, but it is what it is. It is what it is. I'm just hoping one day I will find the right person, somebody who matches my spirit, somebody who matches my goals, and I match theirs, and we work together, you know, in this life. We work together towards common goal. We work together towards same achievement, because at the end of the day, if my partner wins, I win, you know? So I want somebody who will be my cheerleader and I become their cheerleader. I don't know. It hasn't been great, honestly speaking. It's sometimes depressing, but I try not to let it get to me that much, because I know I'm a very nice person. But yeah, sometimes being nice is not good enough for other people, which is okay. We have different tastes, we have different expectations, and maybe the people I dated, I wasn't what they're looking for, you know, which is alright, which is okay. Sorry. So there's nothing wrong with that. So I wish them all the best in whatever that they do. I wish them all the best with their next relationships and their new relationships and whatever. Yeah, I hold no grudges. I hold no grudges. I just hope that one day I will also find my Mr. Right, if there is such a thing, and we'll work this life together and walk this life together. You know what? When that wasabi hits, ne? Oh, it hits the nerve. It goes to places where nothing else goes to. I don't know if that makes sense, but woo, wasabi. I'm just having my Sprite in this cold weather. I'm having cold food. That's how crazy I am. So this is my dinner already. I think it's around past 5, if not 6 p.m. right now. So, sorry. Yeah, this is my dinner supper same time. Like, I don't think I'll be eating after this. I'm already full as is. I'm already full. Woo. Can somebody just teach me how to use chopsticks? Like, I just managed to get to grab the sushi, but oi, it slips. It slips, it slips. Slipper slips. I don't know. I prefer the sandwich ones. I don't know, maybe because with these, I can't really taste that much of the sushi itself, you know? So these, I prefer these a lot. Whenever I order my sushi, or whenever I buy my sushi, I buy a lot of sandwiches. The sushi sandwiches. That's my favorite. And these other ones, yeah. So anyway, I didn't buy them myself today. Somebody had to go buy them for me, which is okay. I'm appreciative. Sorry. I'm appreciative and not complaining. I didn't use my money after all. Oh, I'm kidding, guys. I'm kidding. Don't mind me. I can be crazy sometimes. So, okay, let's try and hold this thing for the last time. What kind of music do you guys like? Maybe next time when I'm having, in my next video, I should play some music. Maybe I should play some music and you guys can be entertained. Oh, maybe I should just keep quiet and eat. I don't know. Please don't be mean to me. Please don't be mean. I'm a crybaby, so please don't. I'm a crybaby, and if you are mean to me, I will definitely cry. I will definitely cry. So give me suggestions, guys, as to what do you want to see me do, what do you want to see me eat, and yeah, and I will do as you guys want for me to do. Sorry. You know the burbs when you're eating. My house is cold, guys. I have my heater on, but I'm still freezing. I guess I switched it on late, so it's still to warm up. But yeah, I'm a bit cold now. What should I have? What should I have? Let's have this one. Let me have you. Let me have you. Okay. Yeah. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay, guys. Whew. Yeah, I think that is it for now. Thank you so much for watching my show. Thank you for watching this video. All the way from South Africa, I'm Miss T. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope to get some good comments from you guys. Tell me what do you want to see me eat? What do you want to see me do in this channel? Should I be playing music? Should I have, I don't know, anything. Just tell me and I will, and I will do as you want. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Miss T, I'm out.